There are more than 1 million students in the New York City public school system. There are outdated policies and overwhelmed staff. Students dealing with severe academic and emotional challenges all too often slip through the cracks.
At school, in my senior year, I was sexually assaulted by a fellow classmate and I defended myself. I went to my principal's office, I explained to him what happened, and he suspended me instead of my attacker. I felt like my world came down, but I didn't let it stop me.
Because the Department of Education is not equipped to recognize the impact of trauma on learning, students are unlikely to receive the services they need to heal and to keep going. My Equal Justice Works Fellowship focuses on Bronx students who are being pushed out of school and criminalized because of behavior related to childhood trauma.
They said that I have to transfer my son to another school.
Did you feel like your principal helped you?
I feel like my principal didn't help me at all.
We received Jasmine's call, and from the moment I sat down with her, I knew this case was serious. Like Jasmine, my sister and I went through a traumatic experience that affected our ability to succeed in school. But our attorney explained the law and the process in a way that was easy to understand. And at a time when I felt powerless, he gave me a voice. I represented Jasmine in the suspension hearing, and we prevailed. She was able to transfer to a new school where she would be safe. We saw a systemic problem with the way the Department of Education handled these cases and with their failure to provide additional services for students who had been traumatized. We worked with Jasmine and with 3 other families to prepare a federal lawsuit challenging the Department of Education's practices. The press picked up the story, and within 2 months, the city reached out to open early settlement negotiations. We'd like to see more training for teachers and administrators on recognizing gender-based violence and responding to it when it happens.
Now, I'm studying criminal justice in college. I want to be a lawyer because I want to fight for people's rights just like Katrina. I need to share my story because I will gain my power back and succeed in the future.
The impact that Jasmine and the other plaintiffs are making will be felt by New York City students for generations to come.